This isn't a photograph. It isn't a video. It isn't even a 3D model. This is spatial capture. A 3D scan gives you the shape of a place. This gives you the place itself. The light, the depth, every angle. Captured on foot by one person in a single walkthrough. That's the difference between 3D and spatial, and it changes everything. Introducing PortalCam, the first true spatial camera. Anything can capture a clean, empty room. Your sights aren't clean or empty. So we gave it a hard test. The Green, a 300-year-old English country house, 7 acres, irregular stonework, 3 centuries of additions, almost no straight walking lines. We also didn't ask the owner to close down for us, we just worked around the guests. Captured with a single handheld. No drone, no tripod, no moving laser scanners. One pass with the PortalCam, and you've got your as-builts, your inspections, your training, your stakeholder walkthroughs. Cluttered rooms, shiny surfaces, tricky light. The conditions that usually make a scan impossible. The PortalCam sees every angle and rebuilds the space seamlessly. Everything is measured. Everything is real. Move through it, pull measurements. Come back anytime with no need to revisit the site. A plant, a substation, a pump station, a site that's remote, restricted, or too dangerous to walk twice. Capture it once, work from it for years. This is a true Gaussian splat, the whole space rebuilt as 3D data. A normal camera can't make this move. The PortalCam can, because the entire space exists as 3D data. Captured in a single pass, processed overnight, handed back as a navigable digital twin that you open right in a browser. Older reality capture can only document a site. The PortalCam lets you walk back into it. The first true spatial camera. One camera, one walkthrough, endless possibilities. See what it can do on your site.
You